Howdy, howdy, folks. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Crow, how's it going? Good morning, good morning. I have a coffee today, so I'm ready. I'm more ready this time around. Hey, hey, how's it going? Just getting ready in the background, folks. Wonder if I can make this more entertaining in the meantime for you guys. Um, no, what are we looking for? Oh yeah, we have all these features and things we want to do with the DeFi dashboard. Something that might be nice is to open up a discussion about the things that we want to start seeing in here. I think we had something on Discord. Um, Waving in chat. I'm gonna wave. Wave. Um, oh wow, there's a significant delay there. It's kind of funny. Yeah, but I'd like to open up a conversation about like what we kind of want to do next. I'm gonna browse the Discord right quick and try and find something. I hope that the screen size is sort of large enough for you guys to see. Um, so there is the getting the MongoDB and the feedback working and the better formatting, but honestly, that stuff is pretty boring. I can do it, but it's pretty boring. There's fixing the Solana priority fee tracking. But honestly, I might get rid of the gas tracking altogether, or just implement it in a different way. Um, I don't love that column in the middle. Maybe that's something we can think about today. What do we actually want to do with that column that's in the middle, that is the gas tracking? And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull up a screenshot of the website there, of the dashboard, and then I'll let you guys compare it side by side. So if I come over here, and just one sec. Um, Localhost? Yeah, cool. Just oh, it's not running. It oh, sorry. The task is launching up. Okay. Uh, I'll get a screenshot in just a sec so we can kind of start looking at that kind of stuff. The other stuff is have an option to show the top performing tokens. I think I already have that. Yeah. Agent kit. Yeah, that's gonna be a pretty significant one. Uh, that might be slightly less boring than the MongoDB though. Oopsies. Training our AI. It probably actually requires Mongo. So we can probably note that, that there's another guy, and you kind of lead into that guy, and that's this. Sorry, I haven't been looking at chat. Okay, don't know. No movement in chat, not a big deal. Um, cool. So we're just gonna put a different kind of, we're just gonna put a thumbs up on that because we moved it away. Thumbs up on that because we moved that away. Uh, yeah, those are two separate systems. AI should sentiment scrape the internet. Oh, it does this. Fantastic. We use open news, but I like open source, so it's probably better than Google. Probably better than supporting the multi-billion-dollar giant. Um, Add a disclaimer. We've done that. Search the internet. Beautiful. Alright, so we have the whale and smart money tracking, automated yield strategies. Okay, so these probably honestly come after Agent Kit. Use Koi's decentralized compute to batch and optimize transactions for minimal fees. Interesting. Interesting. I don't. That's not going to happen soon, I won't lie, but that is intriguing for sure. AI liquidation risk alerts, nice. Optimizing borrowing strategies, auto loan rebalancer, automates collateral adjustments to prevent liquidation. Very curious. One click cross chain swaps. Cool, I like that. Bridge fee and speed optimizations. Yeah, cool. Prometheus might be working on this. This might not be something for our guy. That might be something I should actually do. You know what? The That's not the way we should go about it. We actually should probably thumbs down some of these things. That could happen. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I don't know if that's part of what we're trying to do. I don't know if that's what we're trying to do. I don't know if that's what we're trying to do. That's great. That's great. That's actually amazing. Wow. We should +1 this. That's totally valid. You know, I really haven't thought much about the DevOps and the infra, but holy shit, should we be scanning smart contracts? It's basically free for an AI. Oh, I did not mean to minimize that. It's okay. Oh, we got some chats. Good morning, Theater of the Absurd. Oh, I had the same idea a few weeks ago, but probably a different visualization of the data. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. DeFi dashboards are one of the coolest types of things we can build. Honestly, just finance dashboards, I think, are one of the coolest things we can build. DeFi just happens to have a lot better tracking, right? Like it's just all Web3. So that's really, really a huge benefit. Um, Now this, our task isn't working in the note. Oh, now it is. Okay, very bizarre. What I wanted to do was just one sec. Huh. It's not switching tabs. Chrome. Oh, there we go. All right. So, minimize Figma. No, we don't need to actually minimize Figma. Just turn off Figma. Haha, lovely. So this is our DeFi dashboard. So yeah, thinking of getting rid of the gas tracker because again, this is a lot of wasted space. Top performing tokens. I don't know. That's probably fine. Something we could do is make the assets column twice as large. Not really necessary, but could help a little. Um, top performing tokens can probably honestly go under your portfolio, and it won't be a big deal. That's fine. Performance history. We're gonna have to do a lot of work to this page, like that, for example. Best performing assets, Solana. Really? Wow. Huh. Did we buy Sol? Oh, we totally did. Sol's 145 right now? No, Sol's 135. We have to update our, let's just add a portfolio snapshot. And now this should work. Okay, yeah, there we go. It's cool that honestly all this works. Like, um, this is like a real DeFi dashboard. If anybody wants to use it, by the way, let me know. I'm more than happy to put out a version of this task for you guys to play around with. Like, not the code. Like, I can actually give you the DeFi dashboard if you'd like. Um, just let me know. Just curious, do other projects do as many webinars as Koii? Because it seems like a lot of intrinsic value to me. Um, I don't know. I don't think other projects do as many webinars as Koii. That's not true. Like, I'm not saying other projects don't. Other projects have to, surely. Surely they do. Uh, but we're definitely doing it to offer to give you guys value. I can definitely say that. Okay, so Bitcoin's down a little. Ethereum's down a little. Koi's up. Woo! Koi's up. Let's go. Dogecoin. That's actually pretty significant. Actually significant. Dogecoin. Oh, Pi got hit. What? What? Oh. Oh, I guess it was after a bump. Okay, it's not a huge deal. It's not looking. I mean, listen, this is the market, but what it is. It is what it is. Yes, put out the dashboard, please. And Koii does a webinar once a week. That's very valuable. Yeah, 100% is. It's super valuable. Sorry for the little pause there. Okay, what are we trying to do? You guys want the task. I mean, that's reasonable, I think. We made a KPL token for this. KPL. Ooh, I actually don't think we did. But if I go to Explorer and I go to my I think I called it test. Oh no. There's no such token. Banya. Just give me one sec. Super bizarre. Well, you know what? We'll just mint a token. Let's create a token. Uh, Upload an image. Oh, I picked the whatever. It's not a huge deal. Let's upload. What kind of pictures do we have? Oh yeah, Webcoin. Does that still exist? K Webin? No. If I go to my Koii wallet, I don't think I have that token anymore, but I might be able to fetch it. I might be able to fetch it. Oh, I do have give love. Oh yeah, look, unknown right there. That's the. You guys can kind of see my node. Oh, not really at all, actually. My bad. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to find a token to use for this. Let me see if I can get Finny to import. I didn't properly migrate the old webinar token, so that's. Oh. Okay, one sec. Import a token. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We do have give love, which is probably what I'm gonna do to gate keep this task. Oh, did I just close the coin node? No. Okay. Okay, so if we go here and we type in give love, so this was a token I had for another project that I was working on, but I'm gonna use it for this. Oh, no, I can't, because I have a plan for all the token. I have tokenomics for this project. Okay, we'll just use Koii. Sorry. Sorry for all that, folks. Let me just go to cursor. Cursor? Oh, right. Go to readme. Oh, right. Go to open this. And then I have to go to the readme. Now you guys can see cursor. And I can do. Oh, sorry. I need to hide this from you guys for a sec. Hmm. Sorry. One sec. I have my .env files, and You guys are probably gonna need these. Is the answer. Okay. Open API key and news API key. Whatever. Let's copy these. Let's go to. Sorry guys, I just don't want to blast my new key. It's just because I did it last time, so I had to make new keys. So just one sec. Okay, great. And then I just need to paste these in down here. And then get rid. Get rid. Okay. Now I can bring you guys back. Okay. Boop. This is your open API key. And this is your news API key. And I'll get the links. I believe it's this link. It is this link. Open API key example description is going to be this. Is this Markdown? Let me check. Oh. Well, we can test this, because this is a test task anyway. And we're using the news API. Great. Okay. So this task name is DeFi Dashboard Alpha, right? Or an alpha. I guess I'll give it a release version, which is 0.2.0. By Avi from Koii. We probably want to git add. Oh, right. Oh. What? Logo? We want to add a task thumbnail right quick. So let's open up this. And give me one sec here. See if I kept Dangerous Dave anywhere. No. Not like I wanted to. That's fine. If we go to the config task YML, it's going to ask for an image 230 by 86. Okay. One sec. 230 in width, 86 in height, and what we want to do is click one of these. Nice. So we probably want to put it down here, and we want to say Avi's DeFi Dashboard DeFi Dashboard. Can't update the lettering size, which is okay if I can update the lettering's position. It seems like I can't. Oh, I see. Because what I need to do is unlock all objects. Or what? Ungroup? Hmm. What? This is what I want it to be, but I want to push it up as you could. What? See, I was able to do it here. Whoa. What's going on with that? Very bizarre. Alright, so let's take this. Let's say dev dashboard. And let's move this like here. Copy, paste, and move that like there. That's more of what I was going for. And then I want to copy that as a PNG. Fit it into this size. Sorry, I'm just making an image. It's pretty blurry, which is kind of funny. Let's try something. Oh, shit. Can't just make it taller. That's a shame. Whatever. Again, work in progress. I'm spending too much time. Object, align to center. Give it an effect, which is a drop shadow. Drop shadow intensity. Just like that. Save this as thumbnail. And we want to save it to here. In source assets. Okay. Once that's in source assets, I'm going to do git add all, git commit dash m added thumbnail alpha 0.2.0 git push. Then what we want to do is go to GitHub. Once we're in GitHub, we go to your repos. If there's any chats coming through, sorry, I'll get to it very soon. the drop shadow looks bizarre. Not a huge deal. Image URL. GitHub repo. Task description. Alpha version of DeFi Dashboard. Info URL non IPFS. Round time. Let's make it like 123, 123, 123. Great. Real long time. Because I don't really want it to do anything. Total bounty amount is 10. Sure, you guys can have the bounty. I don't mind. Bup, bup, bup is testing. Oh no, DeFi Dashboard and Alpha. Sure. Okay. Now we want to do npx at underscore Koii slash create dash task dash CLI. I'm gonna check chat right quick. Nothing so far. Great. So we'll click yes. Deploy task. Ah, I also want this to be Koii. And my name is too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2 characters too long. DeFi Dashboard. One, two. Great. Let's try this again. Task ID. So if we go here, advanced, click, and I'm just going to actually quickly add those in so I don't dox myself. Add a new OpenAI API key. Save. Add a new news API key. Save. Great. Okay, so now I can show you the desktop node. Okay, so I'm just going to run it, run the task. One sec, guys. Just waiting for the task to run. Nice. Now it's in the node. And it does look a little silly with the way I made it, but hey, it's there. Looks like it works. It's a new task, so it might just take a sec. Also, I might have been overloading the endpoint. Okay, well, it's reconnecting. That's probably on my end. I'm streaming and all that kind of stuff. And it's possible that the easy testing task is actually conflicting, so I have to wait until some processes restart. Yeah, you can see bit by bit each piece is working. Okay, so let's give it a second. And excuse me, we'll get this going. Is she running? Let's see. Oh, I didn't rename it. Okay, yeah, it's still filling. One sec. Why are we failing? Let's see the output logs. Oh, there's no task. Oh, yeah, there's no task logs. Internal server error. Internal server error. How bizarre. Let's close the node and let's open it again. Alright, let's see if this works now. Let's let everything reload. Oh look, it's still doing this weird click to retry thing. Tasks are completely empty. Let's go to my main logs. Error fetching from that. Failed to fetch. It can't get the... It can't get to IPFS. Let's try running the Free Fire task and see if the same thing happens. Bizarre behavior in the node. Yeah, something went wrong. Retrieve the logs. What the hell? I might have broke my node. Alright, folks. Well, I might not be able to drop this today because I'm not sure if this is an issue on my end or an issue on... What? Yeah, it might be that our services are down. Oh, there it goes. Loud. Okay, so that task worked. But honestly, after probably way too long. What? There's no task logs. Restart the task. Main logs are saying error fetching. Alright, well, here's what we're gonna do. Stop, unstake, and we're gonna make the task go from scratch again. This is an alpha test. Save. Let's go to our HTML. Right at the top here, we want to rename. We want to rename. Right up here. Save. And let's try running the create task CLI again. Actually, I guess let's yarn prod debug it first. See if this works. Okay. We're gonna run the testing task. And it works. Flawlessly. Works flawlessly. Well, It launches, rather, and that's more than we're getting from this other guy. So let's deploy task. Press enter. Press enter. We're gonna redeploy the task. Try and get a copy out to you guys. Not sure why this didn't work, because it seems like everything's succeeding. Like, that's supremo bizarre. But let's open the task node again. Add a task, go to advanced. Stake 1.9. Use those two. Oh, this doesn't work, which is sad. I'm just gonna ask. Okay, seems like everything's working on the back end. Let's try it. See what happens. Whoa, we're successfully running the task. Oh no, it didn't work again. Womp womp. I'll have to look into this one, folks. All right, give me a bit, and we'll see if we can crush through this problem. It's super bizarre. Like that's super. Maybe it's the round time being like a billion years. That could possibly do it. That could possibly do it. Save. Save. Okay. Let's stop this task. Let's unstake this task. Let's just go double check that we put normal parameters. It's possible that that's actually it, which is totally reasonable. Stop the task. Archive the task. Great. Let's make this 1,500. Let's make this as generic as possible. This ifs. You know. Right, using a KPL token. I don't really care about the bounties, to be honest. All the defaults should work. Oh, sorry, I realize I'm not showing you guys what I'm doing. My bad. Missing parameters, token type. Oh, you still have to add it in, I see. Okay. Let's try this. All right, let's see if it is working. Oh shit, that might have been it. Oh guys, I might have fixed it. Copy task ID. Uh, Open up this. Uh, Boop. Oh fuck. I did it. We did it. Here you go, folks. Congrats to anybody who is still here. I see I have one concurrent viewer. I wonder if it's Bobness. But there's the task for you guys to use. I'll add it to the README. Alpha 0.2.0 task. Boop. And we will get add all. Get commit dash updated readme get push, et voila, c'est fini. Hey Patrick, there's a version of the DeFi assistant if you want to run it yourself now. You can run it. Yeah. So we're probably going to end there, to be honest. Boop. Run the task with boop. Probably can't see that, but yeah, this is it. We did it. This is the session, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I know this one was a bit of a slog. Well, we went through some pretty boring content overall, but useful content, right? At the end of the day, this is the kind of stuff we kind of have to do to get our Koii tasks deployed. Just sit down and spend an hour and get through some of the bugs. So thanks so much for tuning in and sticking along. As always, I'll stay around in chat for a little extra longer. If you guys have any questions, and if you want to find the task yourself and you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, just go to Koii Network's GitHub and you'll find the DeFi Assistant task there, and the task link will be right there in the description. Other than that, I hope you. Oh, Pulse Trade is working now. That's great to hear. So we could maybe do a demo of that later too. Um, for now, though, I'm going to sign off. But I hope everybody has an excellent rest of your day. Cheers, folks.